Hello friends, this is Madhavi Patel. Welcome in the show From My Kitchen to Your Kitchen, organized by IAG Greenville. In this show, I will show you how to Katori chaat. This is all-purpose flour, so 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of wheat flour, pinch of salt and little oil. First of all, I'm going to mix both type of flour and then little salt. We don't need much salt because we have to fill other things to eat katori, and then little oil. Again, the oil is not much, otherwise your katori will be soft. So I have to mix it well and take little of water because the dough is not should not be very soft, otherwise your katori won't be cooked very well. So now you can see dough is ready, and you can see the stiffness and softness, you can say, of the dough. It's not too too hard and not too soft. So once it will, and also I'm not taking any extra oil to grease this one. I am just putting like that, and with moist tissue paper or kitchen towel, I will put it for 15 minutes. It's like that. Cover it with a moist any cloth or kitchen towel and put it like 15. Either whatever the size of katori you want. So I'm taking this a medium size katori, or if you want to give some another shape, like the boat shape or something else, you can use that too. So first of all, I will grease this katori with oil from outside. I will grease it so that once this dough will can be stick here. So now I can take the small portion of dough and start rolling. You can make it this as per your size of katori, and this one not be very thick from the corners, or in fact from the middle too, otherwise it will be very hard. You cannot cut through spoon. So now this is enough big to fit it in the katori. So once it will done, I will poke this through any maybe back of spoon or any fork, otherwise it will be pop up like your puri. We don't like it will be pop up like your puri, so I have to poke it from both the sides like you make matri or matti. You do the same thing, I'm sure. So once it will done, I will take that katori which I grease it. I think I'm confused which one I took it, so let's see. I'm going to do it again. So I grease this from outside, and see, this is little bit tricky part again. So you have to put this thing like that and just little bit do it like that, so that it will be cover your katori from outside. Make sure that this thing won't be touch your edge edges of the katori, otherwise it won't be get loose once you put it in the oil. So you can see the shape. Yeah, mine is a little bit bigger, but yeah, that's fine. We can do it like that. So it took the katori shape, and now I'm checking the oil whether it's enough warm to this one. Once your oil is enough warm, you can put it like that. Once it will warm enough, you can see it will automatically lose the katori, and once it will get off from or you can just with help of your spatula, you can also try to release it, and also the same time just try to fry it like that. You can use, because I'm using the small vessel to for fry, but you can use big fry or something like that, so it will be fried nicely. And slowly you can see take off this katori. See how easily this thing get off from the katori. So now you can see it's a shape. It take the shape now. So you have to fry. Try to fry it from the bottom also, because sides and everything it will be fried easily, but bottom sometimes it can be a little bit kacha or not fried properly. So you just try to fry it from both the sides like that. To make the katori. So now the next part, what you are going to fill in the katori, it's totally depends on your choice, whatever you like. Maybe you can fill with potato and sprouts and dahi balla, or maybe corn, or maybe some mumra, whatever you want. So but I am generally fill with what I'm using. The filling is white pigeon pea, or you say white watana, and this will soak the overnight, boil it and saute with ginger and chili, green chili, put little bit onion and cumin seeds, salt, and saute, so it looks like that. We don't put it much masala or spices on that one, because we already using the other things to get more tasty and spicy. And then second thing, then I'm taking that boiled potato, cut it in the small pieces, and then onion, chopped onion, and yogurt. I put some little bit of it depends on how sweet you want. So but I like more sweet, so mostly I put sugar inside, then black salt and normal white salt. And then it's garnished with green chutney, tamarind chutney. And then this is the masala I make. It's cumin powder, red chili powder, black salt, and salt. That's the masala I will put once I will put everything, and garnish with this save and coriander. So let's start filling this katori. So first of all, I put potato, boiled potato here, and then this white watana or white pigeon pea, then yogurt. So looks so yummy already. And sprinkle some onion on top, And at this point I put little bit masala so that it will be mixed well with the other ingredients here, with the other stuffing, and garnish with green chutney. Depends on how spicy you want. In this green chutney I just make some coriander and mint and lots of green chili, salt and lemon. That's it. So green chutney, and then tamarind chutney. See, tamarind chutney, and then this save, and yes, the last, the most important thing, garnish with coriander. See how yummy it looks like. So now you can either just scoop it and eat it, so you will get all the taste, see, like that. Or also you can use your hand, break this katori and scoop it. So instead of spoon, you can just put it in this thing, in this papdi, and then eat it. Or if you don't want to spoil your hand, you can also see the softness, see the crispy, and again the not that much hard, so it easily break up with your spoon and then eat it like that. So yummy.